Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Everyone, we have here little, so I will show you what's inside it. What's inside my little fridge. By the way, I bought this from Shopee for only 85 pesos. So it I don't know what's inside, or is there anything inside the fridge. Interest Smart Refrigerator. The back we have rich accessories, beginning abilities, and simulated food. Oh, there is something inside. There are charot inside. Okay, so let's open. I have my scissors. Cup, plus glass. Cheers! Alright, so let's open our fridge. What's inside my fridge? Okay, so we have stickers. No, cardboard. It's paper, cardboard of eggs, bacon, beer, Coke, soda, ketchup, we have juice, milk, water, salad. Take this out. So now, that's how it looks like inside. Okay, so there's a drawer. Also have a drawer. Let's grab some fish. Anyway, I will be using this toy for my short videos. Yeah? So, let's